That is the craziest thing in the world. Hold it up. Go. Come along with us as we head out. We're on our way. It is Saturday. We're heading out to the beach. It's 32 degrees, 7 o'clock in the morning. Wait, we'll be there in a little bit.
Let's get some fish on. Tight lines.
It is slightly raining. I'm not so sure that we don't have more snow coming, but it's starting to turn into hopefully springtime on its way. If you would like information on where we are at or what we're using, please type information in the comments and instant message me or email me, and I will respond to you as I can. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It helps us out. Now on with the video. Well, you made it, huh?
We did.
How high is the tide supposed to be?
10.
10. You get any bites? Hopefully they start biting good.
Look at that.
That's a decent fish. If you gotta back up if you need to. Now you gotta figure out how the lines are jacked up. Good job, Avery.
Thank you.
Okay, now Mama's on. One after another. Get rigged up, we'll get everybody out. I didn't think it started out like this.
Huh?
I didn't think it started out like this.
Nope.
The fishing started out on fire. We had 3 fish at one time. We were having a hard time keeping our lines out in the water. If you watch, you can see numerous fish in the same picture being handled by different people. It was an awesome day, and it was going to continue. Here in a moment, you're going to see a drone come back, and the day had some solar flares that we were not aware of, and solar flares interfere with GPS coordinates on machines, and it crashes and ends up breaking a few pieces on the drone, but it was all right. Anyway, we'll get back to fishing. Here you're going to see Mama B bring in a halibut, and all of a sudden we realize there's another fish on the hook down the line, so we leave Brock to take care of it and run down to the next one. So we do everything we can to go back out. After reeling in the lines, we put the lines back out as quickly as we can. There was quite a bit of traffic on the beach this day, and one of the issues we have is we get a lot of visitors walking their dogs, and you have to be careful with their dogs, and the bait hooks. So that makes us a little bit nervous. We just continue on catching fish and having a good old time. Usually our best fishing is 2 hours before and 2 hours after high tide. On this day, it actually started out really well at the beginning of low tide on the incoming tide. It was awesome.
Cod! I think. It's a little bugger.
You got one. You glad you bought a drone now, dude? It opens up a whole new world. Woohoo! Don't worry, nobody will see it. Got it? Yeah! Is it a good one? Is it? Yep.
That's a lot of line on that.
Is it taking line? Now we gotta see.
I say about 10 so far.
It's a good one.
Awesome.
Did you get it? Someone record that. It's good. Well, that's good. We like fight. What is it? Is it a butt? It's a butt. Go. Woohoo! Mama got a butt.
I was like, I think it's a butt again because it's a fight.
Did you feel that? Come on. If you got to run backwards, dude.
It's a Sculpin. Oh. It's a big Sculpin, Taylor.
You want to see a Sculpin?
That's still a big bugger.
Caleb, was it worth it?
Hey, that's easy to get out.
I think they're super pretty, but ugly.
I thought for sure it was going to be about halibut.
Oh!
He's got a crab in his mouth.
Does he?
Yeah,
2.
he's got a bunch of crabs.
It's perfect.
Hey, I don't know if you guys noticed, but we need to get some more poles out in the water. We're going to quit getting bites. Wow.
Mine's holding it out. You know,
Yeah.
its splendor, it had a crab in its mouth.
You don't want to eat it?
I thought it was a beast.
Did it? It's a cod, it looks like.
Are they out?
There you go.
We've done all of our short pictures.
Okay, smile.
What though? Noise is annoying.
You just push the button and it dumps it out the back. Oh, it does have a light. I didn't see the light till now.
And
Oh,
then it's
okay.
got one in the back. One servo there, the door opens up and that servo works.
Let's go.
And then another button opens up that one. So
You did, okay.
I can put the bait in there to keep it from tangling, is what I'm trying to do.
Yeah. Right on.
But
I'll have to watch you when you do that from
yeah,
the
it went
beginning.
out pretty good. I'm gonna check. I did get a bite my first time.
Does that not tell you how far you go?
No.
Yeah, we're going tight twice that. Yeah. But I don't want you to know what your range is on that.
I think that's probably pretty good right now.
Another option besides a drone is buying an RC boat that can carry your bait out there. It's not as simple to use, but it was very effective and it did save him a bunch of money. He probably had one on for a long time. It's probably been sitting there for 30 minutes. Nothing? Woo! 2 of them! Pull that in. Oh, check this out.
Two for the price of one.
That is hilarious.
Rock just bought those 2 fish.
I don't think you got one.
No wonder they weren't pulling. They didn't know what the heck to do.
2 fish.
That is the craziest thing in the world. Hold it up.
That is so.
Not bad size cod. The time. There you go. That's a good looking cod. Now pick up the other one. You getting any bites?
Not yet. I got tangled in the other guy's line.
That's how close those hooks are. To have 2 fish on is crazy. I've never seen that before. Good. Good job, Brock.
Beautiful.
Injected poison.
Oh, God. Don't tell me that. All right, we good? I gotta go.
Got it. That's a good one. That's a beef. Yeah. It's caught. That's a good one. We're going, these are about 150 out. So far, the fishing has been fantastic. Nothing to complain about. Now it's Caleb's turn. He's going to try and reel in this fish. Takes him a minute to get in, and it turns out he has a rockfish. He is allowed to keep one of those per day, and it's a beautiful fish. They are one of my favorites to eat, and there's nothing wrong with them. You got the line?
Oh, there it is.
What is it?
It's a long-tail. Looks like a big man.
Woo! That's a good sized cod. Plus 17, 18. Three.
Starfish.
2 starfish. They're fish.
Keeping that or throwing it back?
Let's throw it back. Yeah, let's throw it back. Huh? I'll throw it back.
Today was a good day. We had a very successful outing. We are heading home to get the fish filleted and in the freezer. We caught a lot of fish from halibut, Pacific Cod, rockfish, sculpin, and don't forget those starfish. Tomorrow is going to be day 2, and we will be back to the same spot. If you like this video, please stay tuned for day 2 or watch some of our other videos that will be linked in this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Please subscribe, like, and comment. That thing is huge. Yeah? Yeah.